Everybody get up, it's time to slam now.
Hey John, what are your thoughts about Latin Mass?
I think Latin Mass will be interesting because it's going to be in a different language, and it's going to show that the Catholic Mass is the same no matter what language it's in.
You know, if I'm being honest here, John, I think it's going to be pretty boring. I mean, just one guy talking in a different language that I can't understand. I mean, I don't see it being a fun time. I mean, I can see it being a lot different than what we're used to, you know. But I mean, I'm excited to see. You know, Brendan's in San Diego. I wonder what he's thinking right now. Meanwhile, in San Diego.
When I think of a Latin Mass is a whole bunch of people going on Christmas and Easter just to see a big Mass, and just a really long Mass with a whole bunch of singing and stuff you can't really understand.
So, Daniel, I understand you speak Latin.
At two, Brutus.
Oh, yeah. So, have you ever been to a Latin Mass?
Well, yes, I have.
Oh, what was it like?
It was very, very boring.
Anything else? I mean...
No, it was, didn't understand much, but...
Didn't understand much.
Yeah.
Was the priest interacting with you a lot, or?
No, he was turned around, actually, rarely faced us, and I don't know, but it was weird, kind of.
So you're a senior in high school, correct?
Yes.
And you're practicing Catholic?
Yes.
Have you ever been to a Latin Mass?
No, I have not.
So, what would your expectations of one be like?
I would probably be pretty confused throughout the whole thing since I do not know Latin, and I think I would feel pretty lost.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you for your time. Good. What do you think about Latin Mass, Lucy? Oh. Oh, okay. So, question number one. Have you ever been to a Latin Mass before?
I have, but that was a long time ago.
Long time ago. And just to be clear, you are a practicing Catholic?
Yes?
Okay. Describe what you think a Latin Mass would be like if you went to one tomorrow.
Well, I understand that the Tridentine Mass can still be celebrated under special circumstances with special permission, and I guess it would be like what I remember from 50 years ago. Although the whole Mass is in Latin except the homily, the priest's back is to the congregation when he offers up the host and the wine, and because it's all in another language, you don't know what's going on. Now you can follow in your missal. I didn't have a missal then because I couldn't read, but you could follow in your missal, and all you would be doing is following Latin words, and if you didn't know Latin, they still didn't mean anything.
Yeah, yeah. So besides that,
it's the same Mass. I mean, the order of it is the same. You have an introit. Well, they call it an introit instead of first introduction. But you have the beginning of the Mass. You have the readings.
Yeah. So basically it's all the same, except there's not as much interaction with the congregation because
the congregation is expected to answer in Latin as well.
Yes.
So the responsibilities of the congregation are still to be as prayerful as ever, but you have to be prayerful in Latin.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you for your time. Well, I guess the only thing we have left to do is get over to Francis de Sales next Sunday, the 24th, and watch a Latin Mass go down. See how it goes.
Con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.